Mm-hmm. Doing the timing chain tensioner on 2001 BMW M5 E39, so S62 motor. And what we had to do is take the airbox out, which is right here, and then we loosened this clamp here and disconnected the MAF, even though it didn't really need it, and we twisted the whole thing up so it's out of the way. And then we've got a mirror over here to use to see the tensioner. And if you look right under the black hose that curves, that 90-degree curve, right inside the 90-degree curve, you see a 19mm hex bolt right there. That's the one. So that's what needs to be removed.
I'm probably gonna drop this. That's pretty. That's it.
Small fit.
I will. App, right?
Yeah.
Probably should.
Do you need the mirror now?
I just want to see what I'm doing.
Oh. Oh, look at that. So, the oil leaked and everything.
That's how it came out.
Okay.
It's got the thing with the hole on top.
Okay.
And it sits in the cap like this.
Oh, it's extended out. Okay.
See,
Okay.
there's a little ring here.
Yep.
So it just goes in like this.
Okay.
Sits in there. There's oil coming out right now, so it's leaking.
It's leaking?
We gotta make sure we get that crush washer. I don't see it here. You have to do that now.
Okay, so here's the new tensioner, and it is INA brand, which is the OE brand for this car. It comes with the cap, comes with the tensioner, and it does not come with new crush washers, so I ordered 2 of them. So there they are right there. 2 just for spare. I only need 1. And that's it. So we'll get ready to install it here in a minute. Just opened up the new cap that came in and took a look inside, and it looks like it's got a little bit of surface rust on it. Not sure why a brand new one would do that, but that's not good. Rather than reusing the old one, I'm going to just clean this up a little bit and put some oil in it, and it should be okay. Here's the old one and the new one together. Note the new one is compressed right now. From what we read, it'd be hard to get to uncompress it and then hard to put it inside, so it's better to put it in like this. That means that when we first start it, it's probably going to make some noise. Okay, so it's threaded in there, and you can see it right there behind the hose, kind of. 1 second. Maybe I can get this in there. Just there it is.
This is cleaner now if you want to do that.
I think that's it, isn't it?
It's hard to see though.
Yeah, that's it right there.
This is clean.
Yeah, okay.
from here. Right there.
Yeah, there it is in the mirror. And we were able to get it tight, really snug, and then we kind of just felt it. The way it came off is about the strength we put it back on for. I know that's difficult. It's hard to get a torque on here. They say 37 foot-pounds, but it's questionable. You don't want to break this. So we got it on, and we could feel it's really nice and snug. And then it actually felt like it bottomed out, so I don't think you can really get it any more tighter.
Go.
Yeah. So there's no oil leak after this change. Good.